Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Sifu game on your PC. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix screen tearing issues within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Sifu game on your PC, and once you are taken into the main menu, go ahead and click on Options before starting your game. From the Options menu, go ahead and click on Video, and then within the video options, you will see the VSync option. If you notice screen tears, you can simply click on this checkbox and set this to yes. This will now begin synchronizing the game's frame rate with your display unit's refresh rate, which will minimize screen tearing. You can also try lowering the qualities of the shadows, the texture, the effects, as well as post-process, foliage, and anti-aliasing. This will also give a slight boost to your game's performance while minimizing the quality a little bit. Once that is done, you can go back and make sure to apply your modifications when asked to do so. After this, you can begin your game, and now you will notice that there are no more screen tears within your gameplay experience. And there you have it. That is how you can fix screen tearing issues within the Sifu game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.